Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 290 Trend front-wheel drive L1 VAT included bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 91,673. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This is recently had brand new fuel pump and injectors replaced from Ford with invoices to prove there are no warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.